Hey guys, James Mason here. Today I'm going to be reviewing the 56 volt line trimmer by Ego. What you'll see in this video is the machine being used in action in my backyard here, and then I'll come back and I'll talk about some of the functions and features and how I think it's performed. Alright, let's get started. So there you go, you got to see the machine in action. I used it for the backyard here, basically cut down all the edges, did the whole backyard. It's probably not designed for that, you could probably use a mower for it, but basically trimmed everything down, cut in the edges, cut around some of my pavers, and did a really good job. Really impressed with this machine. Alright, so what are some of the features and some of the functions of it? Well, let's go through it. Okay, so straight out of the box, you've got the 2.5 amp hour battery that this line trimmer comes with. It's a 56 volt, and this is your standard charger. Takes up to 50 minutes to charge, and if you use one of their rapid chargers, I think it takes about 30 to 35 minutes. What I'll do is I'll link to the manufacturer's specifications below so you can look at that. Runtime on the machine, once it's fully charged, it's got up to 30 minutes with the 2.5 amp hour battery. The line on the machine, I think it's 2.4 millimeter diameter, that comes standard, and then you've got this guard which you also need to attach. Then on the end of the machine you've got this little bumper, so if you need some more line, you basically just bump that on the ground and that'll spin out. And then you've also got a little cutting blade here which cuts the line perfectly to length. Now once the line's fully out, I think from memory it's a 38 centimeter cutting diameter. You've also got these quick release heads at the end, so if you pull basically all your line and your spool and everything will just pop out on the end there. Battery just clips on. These are your two handles, so basically you pull one down as a lock, and then this is your variable speed trigger. Shoulder strap attachment, handle adjustment, it's your bump feeder at the end, just on the end up here. That's the little line trimmer, so as that bumps out, that'll just cut it exactly to length. That spring loaded action for the battery to come out is quite cool. And with this charger, you've also got on the back here 2 screw holes. So that'd be quite handy to actually just mount that up in your garage on the side somewhere, and then, you know, from time to time we're not using it, and you just pop the battery in. Alright, so there you go guys, one line trimmer reviewed. How do I think it performed? Absolutely awesome. It's a great machine. I'd put this equivalent to any sort of petrol powered one that I've used, and even some of the electric ones. It's very powerful, does a great job, well weighted, just feels like a really well built machine. So, highly recommended. Alright guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like or subscribe. Catch you next time. Cheers.